This project should be undertaken with parental or adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Phew, it's been a long day. Time to have some rest. But not until I watch a new video about anti-stress toys. I just love them. Thanks for being with us, guys. See you soon. Bye-bye. Whoa, what's happening? Where am I? Huh? Is that? Sam! Is that really you? Hooray!
Let's better please. Stop! I'm stuck in here. Help!
Sure. Whoa. Well, it's just a dream. I'm not even sure what I want to play with first. Wow, it's a squishy unicorn. I love these flexible guys. Wow! A bit more.
I feel the same way when I eat a whole cake by myself.
Yeah, the magical possibilities of this unicorn are truly endless. Woohoo!
This is not just a water balloon, you know. Oh, get down!
Whoa!
Ah! Phew, that was a close one, really. Oh.
By the way, I know how else we can play with balloons. Aw, what a cutie. Go to your mommy. Well, let's see what these guys are capable of. Oh, I think that's enough. Ready, set, go!
He's rolling. Look at how fast he goes. Well, honestly, that finish could have been better.
Yeah, right. Let's try it again. I'm inflating the balloon, and it's so convenient to do that with a big pump. And now let's try to click on the patch. Whoa! Bye-bye, balloon!
Whoa, shiver me cheddars. Why can't I ever inflate these balloons?
Save your lungs, Sammy, and leave that to the piggy. Hop, 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 like this. A little sleight of hand, and like this, and hop. Ooh. Oh.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the greatest tamer of all, Sam. Big round of applause, and hop. Come on. Hop.
What a nice pad.
Yes, very nice. So nice that you didn't do as I asked for. Stay, I'm telling you, stay, leave me alone. Well, thank to be that I got away. Oh, look how many toys are in here. No. There's definitely someone more capable. Now.
Stop!
I found it.
Huh? A car? Can they be tamed too? Well, let's see.
Attention, please. And hop. All this running around, teaming everybody is exhausting. Well, you're so soft.
Oh, wow! Anti-stress balls! Squish, squish! Also, I always wanted to see what's inside. Here, take that! That is so much fun. And now goes money. Click!
Yoo-hoo! If I were you, I would give us a thumbs up for this in a second!
Huh? Oh, I just love these rubber Harrys. Sammy, look how you can stretch it. Hop. And he knows how to jump too. But right now, let's try to cut it, shall we? Poof. But before throwing it out,
Whoa! They can even be inflated like regular balloons! Well, or you can wear it as a hat, I guess. Hey, get this off me!
Okay, why are you screaming so loud?
Because it's a mess around here! Look at that! Go ahead, clean it!
Okay, like this and like this. Hop. And here's your lunch money box. Yum, yum.
That is actually quite good. I might even save up like that for something worthwhile.
For example, something like these. No, not this. No. What are these fashionable earrings? Or maybe a bracelet? Whoa! Look at that!
Steph, I just realized what this is. Wave your hand to me, would you?
Oh, hello, Sammy. Whoa, awesome. I can look at this forever. This is so great. Now let's try it this way. It works too. Oh, this is so lit.
Hey, Steph, can I try it too? Oh, pretty please.
Of course, come on.
Whoa, it's a little tight for me here. Maybe there's something else in our stash.
Did you really need to ask? Of course there is. Look at this awesome snake. It can move like that and like this and like that. Oh, say it's great, huh? Whoops. I didn't mean to break it. I hope no one saw. After all, we can easily fix it, right? Oh, look. Just like new. And we'll do it like this and like that. Oh, and now it's like this. Whoa, look what a cool thing came out of it. Useful stuff, I'd say. Yeah.
I think it could become a great photo frame, Steph. Let's make a cool selfie together. The city needs a hero. I'm sure this time you'll come and save
You
it.
know you can just call him on a phone.
You don't say. Then what is this bat-like thing doing here? Huh? Tell me.
Well, this is a spinner. We can put the ball inside it, and off we go. Wow. You know, it's not easy to do it with both hands at the same time.
A simulator worthy of real heroes. That toy, me like it. Steph, could you help me? I suddenly had an urge to jump around, and now...
You poor thing. In that case, you should have this. Here, let me show you. So we put it like that, fixing it on one leg, and here we go. We start moving in a circle. Up. Here, well, you get the principle.
Shiver me cheddars. I have to try that. Steph, let's go. Yeah, no luck with jump rope. Oh, this stuff is so lit. What is this? An interview. Oh, I love to talk about my experience. Okay, stop. But who's holding the microphone?
Hey, Sammy, did you decide to feel like a star? Oh, you. By the way, this is actually a very necessary thing. Oh, yeah. Before I could never reach my back to scratch it in the right place. Oh. Hey, what is this hiding on the top shelf? Come here, you.
Oh, I know. It's Mr. Potato. Somehow he doesn't look good, though.
He just needs a major makeover. And up, pull, pull, and up. Quite a stress-relieving process. On the other hand, though, very tiring. Let me try to do this quickly. And like this. Oh, that's disgusting. Ew, yuck. Well, this is it. The beach season is officially open. Someone's calling me. Hello? Oh, it's the alarm clock. I only came up with the idea to get up so early for school. Give us a thumbs up if you liked our new craft.
And of course, don't forget to subscribe. Oh, Steph, finally, we've all been waiting for you.
So that wasn't a dream? Oh well, since they're waiting, I'm going.
Bless you. Nasty cold you got there. Oh, you have a cold. No thanks. Wow, amazing. Where are you going? To bed? But where am I going? Oh no, I need to find someone who's in charge.
Let's play.
Maybe this chap can help. Hello, my name's Rebecca.
Ah, you must be the replacement clown. Couldn't believe it when Wizzo got a cold. And today of all days.
What's so special about today?
Today is the day that the circus will close down unless we put on a fantastic show and get people to start coming back.
Right.
So, we're relying on you and Coco to put on an amazing, a brilliant, a spectacular show. We're relying on you two to save the circus.
No pressure then.
So, what are you waiting for? You need to rehearse.
Oh, yes, of course. Rehearse. Right, let's save the circus.
Let's play.
I need to find Coco the clown. Oh, this might be him. Coco?
No thanks, I just add one.
No, I meant, is your name Coco?
Yes, I know, never mind. Who are you?
I'm Rebecca. I'm here to help you with the show tonight.
Right, have you been a clown a long time?
About 10 minutes.
Right, then I need to teach you some tricks.
I'm all ears and a funny nose.
First, I'm going to show you a balloon trick. Ta-da!
Oh, wow, this is great. Can I try?
Best of luck.
Hey, where'd it go?
I think you need some practice. But first, let me show you the hat trick. If I may borrow your hat. Okay, you take the hat like this. Then you put it down on the floor like this. Then you step away from the hat. Now, you try and pick it up.
This should be easy. Hey, what happened?
It's attached to invisible wire.
I can't see anything.
Right, that's kind of the point. Excuse me?
This is exciting. I'm learning loads of great clown tricks. Oh, what do we do with that?
So, I walk around and every time I turn around, you duck so it misses you. Oh! I think we better practice all of this.
I think you're right.
Let's play. Let's play.
It's time for the show. Oh, I'm so nervous. Where's Coco?
Make way coming through. Ah, Rebecca, are you ready for the big performance?
I don't know. I'm a bit scared.
Don't be scared. Be yourself. No, don't be yourself. Be a clown. A good one. Because remember, if the audience don't like the show, then no one will come to see it. Then the circus will close and we'll all be out of a job.
Thanks. I don't feel nervous at all now. Oh, Mummy.
Right, the show is about to begin.
Hold on. Coco isn't here yet.
Well, you'll have to do something on your own.
But I can't. I don't know any tricks on my own.
Well, you'll think of something. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our magnificent circus.
Oh. Coco, at last. Come on, we're on.
How do I look?
Oh, great. Oh, where's your bow tie?
Ah, my tie. I forgot to put it on. I'll go and get it.
No, wait, Coco, come back.
And now, it's time for our spectacular clown act. It's Coco and Rebecca.
Oh, no. I'm going to have to go on by myself. Wish me luck.
Here they are. It's Coco and it's Rebecca the clown.
Hello,
I knew it was going to be rubbish.
What are you waiting for?
Come on, Rebecca. Do something funny. Come along now, Rebecca. You can do it.
What trick can I do? I have nothing. Oh, hold on. I remember, do you? Clowns often pretend to be clumsy and fall over. They make people laugh by putting one foot behind the other and pretend to trip up. That's what I could do. Right, here goes. It worked. They liked it.
That's good, that is. Phew, I found it.
Just in time. I've been keeping them happy, but now we need to put on a show.
Let's do it. Ladies and gentlemen, we are the amazing Coco and Rebecca. Whoa.
Let's play.
That was brilliant fun.
Oh, they love the plank trick, turning around, you duck it down, and whoopsie daisy.
Oh, well, that's me dead. I'm going to go for a rest.
They want us to do some more.
Oh, we haven't got anything else. We've done all our tricks.
We have to think of something. They're calling us back on. One more time, then. Coco and Rebecca. I'll go out there and do something to make them laugh. You think of something and make it quick.
We've done all our tricks, but the audience want more. What are we going to do? hold on, I remember, do you? Clowns will often play silly tricks with custard pies. Let's do that.
Great pie routine.
Yes, listen to them cheering.
I'm gonna get cleaned up. You are a brilliant clown, Rebecca.
Oh, thanks, Coco. And so are you. Oh, it's great fun making people laugh.
Rebecca, the audience loved your tricks. This show will be the talk of the town. Maybe we'll have to close the circus after all.
I'm glad I could help, but I think I better be going.
Go? You can't go.
Can't I?
No, the show is only halfway through. You have to go at the end for the finale.
Finale?
Yes, the show always ends on one big last trick. The audience are expecting it. You do have one last big fantastic trick, don't you?
One big, last, fantastic trick? Of course. You just give me a moment. I've just got to...
That was great fun.
Coco, we have to do another trick.
What?
We need to do one last fantastic trick. If we don't, the audience will be disappointed, and then they won't tell their friends to come, and then the circus will close down, and everyone will lose their job, and panic,
panic.
Oh, I know, I'll tell a joke. Why did the clown cross the road?
Rebecca, the audience are expecting a fantastic trick, not some rubbish joke you found in a cracker.
Oh, you're right, we're doomed. Oh, we haven't got one last fantastic trick. It's all over. Oh, hold on. I know what we can use, do you? I knew this would come in handy.
What are you going to do with that?
Just you wait and see. Come on.
Let's play.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for our final performance. It's Coco and Rebecca. Please be silent for our last trick. I present to you the flying clown. Drum roll, please. This sounds good.
We did it. They liked our final trick. Well done, Coco.
I had so much fun clowning around with you.
So did I. Give Wizzo my best. Hope he gets better soon.
Will do, Rebecca, and thank you, yeah?
Bye. Well, we did it. We helped to save the circus. But we'd never have done it without remembering everything we needed to know. Instead of speaking, some clowns will act things out. They often make people laugh by pretending to trip up. And clowns will sometimes play silly tricks with custard pies to make the audience laugh. I guess it's time we went home.
Rebecca, the audience loved you. They loved the show. We're going to have a full house for a long time to come.
I'm glad I could help, but I guess it's time for me to go. Bye.
Goodbye, Rebecca.